Hi, it's Herbalist Luna of Skin Side Out Botanicals, and today I want to show you a simple juice. Of course, I'm getting ready for work as usual. It's early in the morning, and as you can see, I've started out my morning with my warm water. I haven't put any lemon or lime or anything like that in it yet, but I need it. Today's juice is going to be pineapple, which I've already cut, a navel orange, and this is an heirloom, I forgot, it's some type of heirloom orange, but this is what the larger one looks like inside, and they do have seeds, and this is what the smaller one looks like inside. I think I'm going to start calling this segment the Transition Kitchen, because this will help you to get more fruits and vegetables throughout your day if you juice or smoothie. But today we're going to juice. So that pineapple, of course, you know, has a core. And this is the core of the pineapple. This is the part that, you know, you can't eat, but you can juice it. So I'm going to juice the pineapple, the two oranges together, the pineapple and the two oranges together, and I'd already prepared some ginger. So I have my ginger juice from my ginger right here, and I'm going to add some ginger to that. So let's go ahead and get this juice. Well, first I need to plug in the juicer. Plug in the juicer. Juicer's on. I'm gonna put the core in. Put one part of the core in first. Then I'll do the orange because it's softer. Do the orange, and to get this to taste, you add more of the orange or more of the pineapple, whichever you like your juice to taste more of. And with my oranges today, I cut them in half and then I peel them. I think I still have a half over here with the yeah, I do. I still have a half over here with the peel on it. So I'll show you that one in just a second. Let's get this in here. I didn't really mean to do a video today, but I thought I'd show you this juice since it's a simple one. Like I told you before, juicing doesn't have to be hard. You can make your juice with just one ingredient. If I wanted just orange juice, I'll just simply just juice my oranges, which is better than buying them the juice already made in the grocer, because it has so many preservatives in it. This way you know exactly what's in your juice, and if you want to add something to your juice, you can. Okay, so you see that this one still has the peel on it. I cut it in half, which makes it easier to peel. There we go. The peel comes right off. All right, this is my last little half of orange. So I had two different types of oranges and the pineapple. And I'm going to put that core in there. That's the last piece of the core. I cut it up into 4 pieces to make it easy to go into the juicer. Voila, magic. That juice is done. We're going to just let that drain out of there. And there we have juice. Now also in my in the peel of the pineapple, where I cut the pineapple off, it still has, you know, some pineapple in there. I'm going to take that. So if I see if I can show you, and I think I've shown you this before. I'm going to take that, I'm going to squeeze it out and you can see that there's still juice coming out of there. So I'm going to get all those good little bits out of there. Once I do that, I'm going to take a spoon. You see, I wasn't ready. Turn around here and get a spoon. I'm going to take a spoon. I'm the only one drinking this, so if you see me double dipping, that's perfect. Let me wash my spoon off because I don't want it to go back into the ginger with my saliva on it, and I might not be the only one using ginger. So please try to be as clean as you can in your kitchen, not to cross-contaminate your items that you're using on a daily basis. So I'm going to put 1, 2, 3. I like mine kind of gingery. There we go. 4 teaspoons. That's a teaspoon. 4 teaspoons of ginger in there. Stir it up. Give it a little taste. That's perfect for me. And there we go. A simple orange, pineapple, ginger juice. All right, that's it for the Transition Kitchen. Have a healthy day.